Hey everybody, it's Mike, and this weekend, instead of going to a festival or something like that around the area, I am running in the Fort Bragg 10-mile race. The race, they run it every year, and it's usually the first weekend in November. It's run on a Saturday, and it's kind of a fun event. So I think my fastest I've done it was, I want to say it was an 8:15, 8:30 minute mile, and that was 2 years ago when I was actually on the winning team for post. So I think the guy that usually wins runs about a 6-minute mile, and then for our team a couple years ago, I think we had a couple 6-minute 30-second mile runners, and then we had like a 7:30, and then there was me with the 8:15, 8:30-ish. But hey, it was fast enough to win. I'll take it. But today I'm on my way to Sports USA to pick up the race packet. You know, usually when you sign up, you get a t-shirt, and you get a lot of swag, if you will. You get a swag bag. And so I'm going to go pick it up. You can either pick it up the day before, or you can pick it up the morning of, but I don't feel like coming in early, super early, to make sure I get my bib and everything, so I'm just gonna go today. Hey, what's going on? So here they are setting up. All the vendors, everything. There's a stage you can take pictures on when you win. Alright. So I got my bib, got my free swag, and the only thing left is to show up tomorrow and run. Can't wait.
And then
here I am, getting ready to go to the
going on YouTube.
Fort Bragg 10-miler.
So
a couple guys.
You can have that on the turnaround point, so I can see you whenever you're right there.
Yep, every mile I'm gonna film it.
That was awful.
15 seconds.
There's 5 seconds to go. Okay, runner set. See you all in turn 1 to reach 7 miles.
Jesus. 3:30 and he's already coming back.
What's that?
33 minutes, he's already coming back. About 43 minutes, about 8.5 minute mile. Doing all right. Oh, I lied, it's 45 minutes. Hour 14?
Hour 19.
Hour 19?
So my first 2 miles was like 13. Way too fast. The whole packer just didn't make it feel like that.
How'd you guys do?
Still alive.
Still alive.
Hurts. Everything hurts.
Yeah.
Take a video. I was trying to take a picture. I was like, trying to pose.
Alright, so that was the Fort Bragg 10 miler. Me and Josh. He took first for our team. I took last for our team. But it's alright.
I think you beat Jake, didn't you?
I don't know. He wasn't on the team though.
Oh.
But it's a good day. It's almost 10 o'clock now, so I got the rest of Saturday. All right, so you probably noticed I didn't have Deb with me today. It was just me running. Deb's feeling a little bit under the weather. But you know, that happens this time of year in North Carolina. You know, Wednesday it was 86 degrees, and today it's 30 in the morning, so it's pretty common to get the sniffles. Plus she's a teacher, so being around all those kids on the germs, so I'm not surprised, but it worked out. I don't mind running. I like doing these races. Hate doing the Army PT test because I think 2 miles is too short, but yeah, it was fun. So if you have any questions, you know, let me know. Leave in the comments, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna go out later today. Oh, this is the first vlog I've done with just the GoPro. I just picked it up, so let me know what you think of the quality. It's the new GoPro Hero 8. So apparently they didn't see me. It happens. But all right, so I will talk to you guys later.